If you're experiencing a sync error on your Tink 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Restart the app. Close the Tink app completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the app and clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the sync error. Step 3. Update the app. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache. Go to your device settings, find the Tink app and clear its cache. This can help remove any corrupted data that might be causing the sync issue. Step 5. Relog into your account. Log out of your Tink account and then log back in. This can help reset your connection to the server and may resolve any lingering sync errors. If you follow these steps and the sync error persists, consider reaching out to Tink's customer support for further assistance.